Food and Health plus 5th Chapter 3 First Part. Yes, our topic is food and health. Children, I want to ask some question from you. What kind of restaurant do you like? Do you like Indian food or not? And when you are going out, whether you eat fast food or Indian food? And what do you prefer to eat? Eating at home, eating out, going to a dinner party. And then when you go to your favorite restaurant, then what you order mostly. So these are few questions which decide your diet. Now children, we start. Let's get going. Page number 39. Jia and her brother mostly eat pizza, pasta, burger, etc. in their daily meals. Now, children, do you think they eat a balanced diet? Or is this kind of food healthy for our body or not? Yes, most of you answers that these fast food are not a balanced diet and these food are not healthy for our body. For our body, the healthy food is homemade fresh food. This is healthy. Your mother cook for you and it is the healthy food. Now the topic is staying fit and healthy. The food we eat. The food we eat. This is made up of nutrients. Nutrients. The food this have some substances which are essential for our body. These nutrients our body needs to stay fit and healthy. Now children, we have already learned about the main nutrients required by our body. We must eat proteins. Proteins are body building food. Carbohydrates and fats. Carbohydrate and fats are energy giving food. And vitamins and minerals. These are protective food. We must drink plenty of water and include roughies. Roughies means green leafy vegetables and fruits in our diet. Now children, the main nutrients present in the food, these are proteins, carbohydrate, fats, vitamins and mineral. Beside these nutrients, our food must have water and roughies. Roughies means salad, whatever we are eating in the form of salad and fruits. So these give us roughies. Now children, you are seeing balanced diet plate. A plate which contains all the nutrients which our body required for proper growth and development. This diet is called balanced diet. It includes carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals, etc. To remain healthy, we must have a balanced diet with all the essential nutrients in correct proportion. Our diet must have all the nutrients in correct amount. The amount of nutrients needed by a person. This depends on their age, health and job. For example, a manual laborer will need more carbohydrates and fats. Manual laborer means a person who is doing physical work, labor work. He need more energy giving food like carbohydrate and fats. Similarly, a teenager means a person whose age is from 13 to 19 should have more proteins as this protein helps in body building. Teenager, they are growing children, so they need more protein. Children, for maintaining a healthy body and mind. To maintain healthy body and healthy mind, we must exercise regularly. I hope all children do regular exercise and yoga that make your immune system stronger. Exercise helps in building a strong body and keeps us fit. It tones our muscles and helps in the digestion. Exercising helps in breathing more oxygen and results in increased blood circulation. Children, nowadays in the period of COVID-19, we have to need exercise, breathing exercise, so that our oxygen level this remain high. It also help in maintaining the right posture. Right posture means correct posture for sitting, standing and moving, and this keeping our back straight while sitting, standing or moving. So exercise these are very useful for us. Rest and sleep. This is also very important for our body and health. If we are doing proper rest and sleep, proper sleep, so that keep our health good. Now, to be healthy, it is important that we keep our body and surrounding clean. Cleanliness, this is also an important factor in keeping ourselves healthy. Hygiene means cleanliness of oneself and our surrounding. We must bath daily to remove sweat from our body and keep ourselves free from germs and dust. We should wash our hands with the soap and water before eating food and after going to toilet. We should brush our teeth twice a day to keep our mouth clean. Twice a day means one time early in the morning when you wake up and second time when you are going to bed. Now children, you are seeing a boy doing yoga. He is making correct mudra position, sitting in the proper posture and doing pranayam or yoga, kapalbhati, alom vilom, etc. Now, real world lack of hygiene can make us sick. If we keep ourselves and our surrounding dirty, then we can become sick. We may get worms in our intestine that eat up all the nourishment meant for our body, and we become very thin and weak. Now, knowledge check. The five main nutrients are dash 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 and dash. The main nutrients are carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Second question, we should also include water and dash in our daily diet. Water and roughage. Beside the five main nutrients, we have to add roughage in our daily diet. Third, a dash has all the essential nutrients in the correct proportion. The answer is balanced diet. A balanced diet has all the essential nutrients in the correct proportion.